Today, let us start with a new program, and we are studying the subject Introduction to Programming in C. So, we have studied matrix input, how to input a matrix, how to output a matrix, how to insert or how to do any kind of operations using or in matrix. So, the next program is it's a continued previous class. I taught you how to do the addition. So we took the two matrix. The order of the matrix A was M and N. The order of the matrix B was P and Q. Now, how if you input these two matrices, the output matrix will be C. So you are supposed to store matrix A and matrix B in matrix C. The answer, the output will be stored in matrix C. So matrix C contains the addition of these two, matrix A and B. So I told you what are the rules to be followed while during matrix addition. So we have to consider two matrices, A and B. These matrices can be added if the order of the matrices are equal and the two matrices have the same number of rows and columns. So the addition of matrices is not defined for matrices of different sizes. So now we are supposed to take, so prompt and read the elements to the above matrix, whatever we have taken, A and B. So total number of elements in the matrix, M and N, M cross N. So you have to input the elements to the matrix A. You have to prompt the user that enter the elements for the matrix A. Using for loop, you are supposed to enter the matrix A elements. So here you can see the for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than N. Because I is first initialized to 0, then it will check the condition whether it is less than N. If this condition is satisfied, only then it will enter into the second loop, that is inside for loop. So matrix contains two for loops, one for rows and one is meant for column. So for j is equal to 0, first j is initialized to 0. Then you are checking the condition. If it is less than m, only then it will get inside and the scanf function will be executed. The scanf function contains two parameters. Percentage %d is for integer. Ampersand is an address operator. So matrix A, I value is, now you are reading the values to matrix A. I is 0, j is 0 first. Next, j will be incremented. Then it will check the condition. And if the condition is satisfied, it will get inside. Now, I value is 0, j value is 1. So 1, 0, 1, first 0, 0, next it is 0, 1. Next again j is incremented. It will check the condition. Then matrix A is 0, 2. Like this it goes on till this condition is satisfied. Then once the condition is failed for this inner for loop, I is incremented, the outside for loop will be executed, will come into picture. So I will be incremented. Now I becomes 1. Again j is 0, reinitialize to 0. It will again check the condition. Yes, it's true, j less than m. Again, it will read the condition is satisfied and hence the matrix A will be read. Sorry, the values will be read into the matrix A. That is, I is 1 now, j is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, like this it goes on till the condition j less than m is satisfied. So this is how you are reading the values to the matrix A. After that, you have to prompt and read the dimension for the matrix B, which has a dimension P, Q. Same way, whatever the, first you have to take the dimensions for P and Q. You have to ask the user, enter the dimension for this matrix, second matrix, that will be read and it will be stored in P and Q. Now prompt the reader to and read the elements to the above matrix. So now again, same way how we have done for the previous matrix A, same thing to be followed for matrix B. Again, we have to use two for loops. One outside for loop is for rows and one is for rows, another one is for column. Again, the procedure is I is initialized to 0, I less than Q. If this condition is satisfied, it will get inside. J is again initialized to 0. Now it will check the condition. If condition is true, only then it will go to scanf function. Here matrix B, the values, whatever the user will enter, one after the other, those values will be read into the matrix B. So I is 0, J is 1. Sorry, initially J is 0. Correct? I is 0, J is 0. So 0, 0, matrix B, 0, 0. Next, 0, 1, 0, 2. Like this, inner for loop will be executed. Once inner for loop is failed, outer for loop will be executed. While going like this, I will be incremented to 1. Then matrix addition, how it will be done. So we have to apply the validation as per the matrix addition rules. So what is matrix C now? What matrix C is nothing but matrix A plus matrix B. So now we have to perform matrix addition. For loop, outside for loop and inside for loop. So every time, whatever the value you add, A and B value will be added. That will be stored in the matrix C. So matrix A contains, I contains 0, first 0, 0. Then matrix B 0, 0 is added and it will be stored in matrix C 0, 0. Again, matrix A 0, 1, J is incremented. Inner for loop will be executed until J less than M is true. Okay. So matrix I is 0, 1, J is 1, 0, 1, matrix A 0, 1 plus matrix B 0, 1 is added and will be stored in matrix C 0, 1. So again, J is incremented, it will check the condition. Again, matrix 0, 2, matrix A 0, 2 plus matrix B 0, 2 is added and that sum of those two elements will be stored in matrix 0, 2 in the same order. So this will be executed till the complete matrix element. So here, the whatever you have added, the matrix that is stored in C, you are supposed to print that, right? So matrix A, again matrix B, you print, complete the values will be printed. Now whatever the value is stored in matrix A, this complete for loop will print matrix A. This complete for loop will print matrix B. Okay, next, the answer will be stored in, the sum of those two matrices will be stored in matrix C. So this for loop will execute, it will store, it will display the answer matrix C. Matrix C is the addition of A and B. So this is how the matrix addition goes on. And we can, now I will consider one example for A. I'll enter B value and some of these two will check in C. Okay, so I have taken the dimension for the matrix A. Now program output, I have entered 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so first the user will be prompted with this sentence statement, enter the dimension of the matrix A. So 3, 3 I have entered, 3, 3 or 3 by 3. Then enter the 9 elements because 3 by 3 matrix contains 9 elements. So I have entered the elements for the matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this I have entered numbers. Then again, it will ask the element to be entered for matrix B. So 3 by 3, again 3 by 3. Enter the elements, 9 elements to the matrix B. I've added. So we have done the addition performance. Matrix addition is done. Once addition for 3 by 3 is done, you can see here 3 by 3 matrix A, matrix B 3 by 3. So when you add these two, you will get the answer. The answer what I'm getting here. Okay, matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 I have added. I have displayed in the matrix form, matrix A, and this is matrix B, what I have entered. Okay, so you can check the answer in matrix C. See, 1 plus 9, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Again, 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. You can see that the corresponding values, the order is also followed in matrix C. The corresponding element of matrix A should be added with corresponding element of matrix B, and it should be stored in corresponding element of matrix C. Now 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is this. And we have displayed in the matrix form itself for the readability. This is how you are supposed to perform the matrix addition. So you can see matrix A is added. We have taken the elements. We have taken the elements for matrix B, and then we have performed the addition for matrix C. And logic is what I have implemented here, how it is performed. We have displayed again matrix A and matrix B. We have seen the output, how does it look like. These are all formatting statements. Slashing you're supposed to use to display wherever, how it should be in the matrix form. That's why I've used this, how to display in the matrix form properly. This is also, these two is for displaying the matrix, and this is answer which is stored in matrix C. So this is how output looks like.